talking about travel.
Hey, lovely. I heard you went on a trip last month.
Yes, I went to Busan. It was wonderful.
How did you get there? Did you fly?
No, I took the train. It's more comfortable.
That sounds nice. What did you do there?
I visited the beach and tried lots of seafood.
Did you take many photos?
Of course, I'll show you some later.
Great. I'd love to see them.
Asking about someone's country.
Lovely. Where are you from originally?
I'm from the Philippines.
Really? What's it like there?
It's beautiful. We have over 7,000 islands.
Wow. What's the weather like?
It's mostly hot and sunny, but we have a rainy season too.
What language do people speak?
We speak Filipino and English.
That's interesting. I'd love to visit one day.
Talking about your home.
Do you live in a house or an apartment, lovely?
I live in a small apartment with my sister.
How many rooms does it have?
It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, and a kitchen.
Is it near the city center?
Yes, it's quite close. It's very convenient.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, a small one. I like to sit there in the morning.
That sounds lovely.
Describing your room.
What does your bedroom look like, lovely?
It's quite small but cozy. The walls are light blue.
What furniture do you have?
I have a bed, a desk, and a bookshelf.
Is it tidy?
Usually, but sometimes my desk is a bit messy.
What's on your walls?
I have a map of the world and some family photos.
That sounds like a nice personal space.
Talking about food preferences.
Are you hungry, lovely? Do you want to get lunch?
Sure. What are you in the mood for?
I feel like eating something spicy. How about you?
I prefer something light, like a salad.
Okay. Do you like Italian food?
I love pasta, but not pizza with too much cheese.
Got it. Let's find a place that has both options.
Perfect. Talking about weather changes.
It's really cold today, isn't it?
I know. It was so warm and sunny yesterday.
The weather changes so quickly here.
Yes, they say it might rain this afternoon.
Really? I didn't bring an umbrella.
Me neither. We should check the forecasts next time.
Good idea. I hope it clears up by tomorrow.
Me too. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, lovely. Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the post office. Is it far from here?
Not at all. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Straight on this road?
Yes, then turn left at the traffic lights.
Left at the lights. And then?
It's on your right next to the bank. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much for your help.
Talking about plans.
Do you have any plans for the weekend, lovely?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents on Saturday.
That's nice. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I'm meeting a friend for coffee.
Sounds fun. I'm thinking of going hiking.
Oh, that's a great plan if the weather's good.
Fingers crossed. Maybe we can meet next weekend.
Sure, let's do that. Asking about health.
You look a bit tired, lovely. Are you feeling okay?
Actually, I have a bit of a headache.
Oh no. Did you take any medicine?
Not yet. I think I just need to rest.
You should drink lots of water, too.
Thank you. That's good advice.
Do you want to go home early?
Maybe that's a good idea. I don't feel well. Making simple suggestions.
I'm bored. What should we do this evening?
How about watching a movie?
We watched one yesterday. Why don't we play a board game instead?
That's a good idea. Or we could try baking cookies.
I love that suggestion. Let's do both.
Okay, first the game, then we can bake.
Perfect. I'll get the game box.
And I'll find a simple recipe online.